Arabone crossoral ka bolo telele o nyaka itiosa igadaro yamlahlekela bolo iwela mombogazi wari TLB ikanga muva ikenga phambi arabone TLB uchiya bolo kaletlangela uchiya bolo uyilahla ka rampa le botlo.
My name is Muzikayise Kumede, otherwise known as Sopolenyoni. I now live in Meadowlands, but born and bred in the rural areas of Mpumalanga.
My name is Theophilus Maholo. I'm from Meadowlands, Zone 9.
Okay, my name is Kimlungisi Shabalala, all the way from Gochabulane.
No, I was not born blind, but you know, the reason why I became blind is, I guess it was too technical from the doctors. I didn't understand it myself.
I was doing grade 10 when my vision starts going slow, bit by bit.
I wasn't born blind, I'll tell me. Ngalimala benginabo 9 years old, I think only 99. Yeah, ngakhawatheka like bese into ana sliced amatire then go plaster something angishaya emehlweni.
Team eke supporta nke Kaizer Chiefs wa sale monyane nje.
I support Kaizer Chiefs, the best football family in the world.
I team amabhoza sandawana kabuyelo yi team yami my brother.
Ke a re le go stadium gona le outir tsamang le one ke kamohelo. Kamza the commentator.
So commentary for me is what makes me understand football.
I can say the love of commentary came the day I hear Kebo Manyapelo saying khwele ya dinao I not there for.
No such a fella game at 2000. I cheer Fundo Filogase. Kalotela la nge rutailenga.